Poor little bitch. What are you doing here?
She's been here the whole time. We watched her curl up to the coat or the chair and everything.
Yep.
Can you go tell Roger to shut up?
Well, if you,
Are you getting
I record the video.
Oh, now you're recording us?
Yeah, funny.
Hungry.
Oh my god. Where's your boyfriend?
Gone back to work already.
Oh.
Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend?
I don't know no boyfriend, girlfriend.
Where is she?
Tell her to get home.
The airplane drove you home.
Huh?
Holy shit.
Must have walked.
Holy what? Did I argue with somebody?
Us?
Oh, did I go ask for foods?
You punched the wall?
Oh shit.
Oh boy.
Stupid again? Yes, you went to Westbrook Foods. Yes, you did. You picked up burgers. I don't know what else you picked up.
Greens, I guess.
Oh, corn.
Yep,
Do you remember being at
corn.
Westbrook Foods?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Because that's why you asked me if you were at
1,
Westbrook
2,
Foods.
3, 4, 5, 6, 6,
Um,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years.
there's a hat for me.
Slaps. Glasses.
Where's my glasses?
You ate it.
You ate it.
They're on the kitchen table.
On the kitchen table.
What happened?
Again.
What happened?
Well, how come I got here? Oh my god.
We're at Stephanie's.
Yeah.
I didn't go Stephanie's.
That's where we are.
No, I didn't go Stephanie's.
We're at Stephanie's now.
This is my house.
No, it's Stephanie's place.
No. Stephanie's over there.
Do you know if you want to put your foot up there or not? Like you keep on thinking about
I
it.
want to bar again or what's happening? I'm trying to order a pizza.
Yep.
No, we're barbecuing.
East.
Stephanie went and bought herself pork chops to barbecue.
Book chop.
Well, I'm not barbecuing. You barbecue.
Book chop.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
I'm drunk.
You are drunk.
You are drunk though.
Oh.
You
Yeah.
would be lying.
Yeah, stupid.
How'd you get here?
Again.
Again?
3 times.
Nobody, the cops didn't fucking pick me up or nothing, dude.
No, you would have been right in jail.
You would have been in jail,
You
Curtis.
wouldn't have even come home. They would have took you right to jail.
Because you're not supposed to be drinking.
911.
Hold up, what?
You puke and pee yourself. And poo
No, I
yourself.
didn't puke up. I'm not that stupid. Someone poured water on me to wake me up.
Nobody.
Don't put the, don't.
Oh, we gotta get you drunk on tape.
That's okay. Blackmail me?
Why would we want to blackmail
Yeah,
you?
are you?
We just want to show you so
Yeah, you argued
so
with
you
both of
could
us.
see how stupid you were today.
E-
Oh, you argued with Steph, you argued with me.
Mhm.
You told Alex he shouldn't be here.
Yeah, well, no, probably because I'm drinking.
And then you gave him a hug and said that you didn't mean it.
Did I sound wrong?
Yep.
What? Did I tell him I love him?
Okay. Everybody look at me.
Leprechaun.
How we go, do you know?
Relax.
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 No, let me say relax. I mean not relax. I said relax.
Where's the blue shoes sitting on the desk there too?
I kind of figured he was out the way.
Yeah, me too.
I was.
And the
ABC ball in the house.
Right?
What?
And you're proud of
Whoa,
all of
whoa,
it, right?
go, go, ooh la 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 la.
Because they've never
Oh,
seen
man.
it before.
So?
So
Because when you tell them, you change the bar too, they stick the bar.
Change it all around in there.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, fun house,
It always was.
the
They might have
evil
to, New Year's Eve.
clowns.
Up at the front? Yeah. It's where the dance floor was. And the band?
Hey,
Oh, yeah, the floor was there, sorry.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey.
In the far corner now, I remember.
That's all the pool tables and stuff are all
Hey,
in the back
you.
corner.
hey, no one knowing.
What was that, Joe?
No way, you be a boy with yes way.
I've never had to go.
Na 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 na.
The walk.
Are you sure? 'Cause you
What
just had
in the
that, I've gone home.
dark?
Get the groceries bag.
Jackass.
I remember I picked up some.
Sorry,
Oh,
I
sure.
see
You're so
power.
I'm gonna
The
pick
people not help me up.
Oh,
Go,
here we go again.
Go.
Ding, ding.
I remember
ding
saying
ding
that.
ding bong.
Sorry, Sam.
It's sexy in the shorts.
You're sexy in the shorts.
I look sexy all the time in church.
Are you still recording yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Yeah.
You're going to put it on YouTube?
Oh, Facebook.
You're going to put that on Facebook?
Yeah.
This is my Uncle Curtis on alcohol.
This is my uncle on alcohol. Alcohol and him don't mix.
How did I get home?
We did that?
Ah! Die, guys.
I'll walk in here.
We don't
Stop,
know. We
people.
got home just as
See,
you
people,
our doors, like,
Don't drink.
so we don't know how you got home.
Please. Not.
How did Uncle get home?
The demon that drive here.
Somebody drove here?
Yeah, top off the roof.
Somebody dropped Uncle off?
Yeah, roof.
Who dropped him off?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Alex, we're trying to figure
Yeah,
out how
Okay.
Uncle got home. Now, how did he get home?
I can cite it.
Okay, turn that off now.
See ya.